Ecol-Unicon is a leading Polish producer of solutions for water protection. We believe that every day we can contribute to the improvement of the natural environment. That's why we act without compromise, in the interests of the environment, using the experience, knowledge and competences of our engineering staff. We have 4 production plants in Poland, a wide network of technical and commercial advisors, as well as service and executive teams. Our products are also successfully exported to foreign markets around the world. For over 25 years, we have installed approximately 11,000 pumping stations and dry well pumping stations. We have built 600 retention tanks. We have delivered over 30,000 separators of petroleum substances and 450 wastewater treatment plants. We can proudly say that on average, in each county in Poland, as many as 100 of our devices contribute to water protection. We have supported over 50,000 clients with our solutions. We manufacture and deliver solutions for municipal and road infrastructure and private enterprises, hydrazone retention tanks, separators and settling tanks, rainwater pumping stations and dry well pumping stations, and biofit wastewater treatment plants. We offer also maintenance, modernization and contracting services. All these solutions are supported by the modern Boomerang Smart System, used for effective management of the operation of devices and facilities in water sewage systems. Protection of the aquatic environment is essential for the life of the whole society. The role of Ecol-Unicon is not only the achievement of business goals, it is the art of water protection.